Hi, my name is Virginia Braswell, and this is my assessment on a patient with a wet cough.
I, Lavelle, give Virginia Braswell permission to assess me for a wet cough I've been having for a month.
Okay. Well, hi, I'm Virginia. I'm the nurse practitioner, and I'm going to be doing an assessment on you. Is it okay for me to proceed?
Yes.
Okay. So as I'm doing everything, I'll tell you what I'm doing before I do it or before I touch you. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a good look at you. I see your skin looks good. Skin is intact. You don't have any rashes, any wound, any injury. Um, your eyes and everything on your face is the same on both sides. They're even and symmetric. I'm going to take a look at your head and your scalp. So I'm going to touch a couple of areas just to make sure. Okay, so there's no dents, no protrusion. I see you're losing a little bit of hair, but no patches, no wounds or dandruff or any concern there, right?
Right.
Okay. So next I'm going to take a look at your ears. So I have this here, called an otoscope. I'm gonna go ahead and check your ears. It's gonna shine a light into there. It doesn't hurt. So first, I did notice that your ears are even on both sides. No drainage, no changes in hearing or anything like that?
No.
Okay. So I'm gonna pull it up and back, shine the light in there. Okay, no earwax, I don't see any drainage, no redness. The tympanic membrane, which is called your eardrum, it's nice and gray. So I'm gonna look on the other side, same thing, lift your ear up and back. And the same on that side, no drainage, no redness, tympanic membrane is great and intact. So now I'm going to test your hearing. So I have this thing, it's called a tuning fork. I'm going to hit it and I'm going to place it on your head and you're going to tell me if the sound is the same on both sides.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to place it behind your ear and you're going to tell me when the sound stops.
Stop.
Okay, and now on the side of your ear.
Stop.
Okay, so now I'm going to do the other side, same thing, on the back of your ear. Tell me when it stops.
Stop.
Okay. Now on the side of your ear.
Stop.
Okay, good job. So you feel like everything was even on both sides?
Yes.
Okay, so that's called the Weber and the Rhine test. And that test that checks the bones in your ears and then also checks your hearing ability. Okay. So next I'm going to take a look at your eyes. And I'm going to use that same light. I'm just going to change the tip on that. Okay. First, I'm going to flip my hands and I'm going to lift the top of your eye, both sides. And then I'm going to check the eyelids. They're nice and pink and moist, no drainage. Eyebrows are intact. Let me see you lift your eyebrows up. Can you lift your eyes? There you go. Can you blink your eyes? Blink them twice. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to flash a light in your eye. Okay, and I'm gonna do both sides. And I'm going to be checking to see what that little black thing in your eye is going to do, if it's gonna change in size, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Equal and reactive to light on both sides. Now I'm gonna take the ophthalmoscope and I'm going to take a look a little deeper.
Okay.
Okay, so it's gonna shine a little light in there. Just gonna hold it up. Okay, looks good. No herniated fibers. And the same thing on that side. Everything looks good there. So now I want you to follow my fingers. Good job. And I want you to follow the light from the pen. Okay, now I want you to try that with one hand over the right eye. Okay, and you're going to follow my fingers. Okay, and cover up the left eye, and same thing. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to give you a chart, a vision chart, where you're going to look at. This is the vision chart. He's going to hold that up at arm's length. I'm sorry you're not able to see it. I can turn him around to help with that. Or maybe you can see. Okay. So you're going to read this line. We're going to start there.
DHJBS.
Okay. The next line.
EPTZO.
And the next line.
CFDHJ.
Okay. So now we're going to switch. Good job. Going to cover up that left eye. Go ahead. Start right here.
DHJBS.
The next line.
EPTZO.
And the next line.
CFDHJ.
Good job. Vision. It looks like you have 20/20 vision on both sides. Awesome. Okay. Now I'm going to check your nose. So we're going to go back to this and I'm going to shine a light in your nose. You didn't report any nasal drainage since you've had this wet cough?
Yes.
You had nasal drainage?
No, I didn't. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. So you've never broken your nose. I can see that because the nasal septum is intact and looks even on both sides. So can you tilt your head back for me? Shine a light in there. And then on the other side. Okay, good. I don't see any drainage. You can bring your head back. I don't see any drainage there. There's no redness, no swelling. Let me check your sinuses. Any pain where I touch? Okay, good. So now I'm going to check the inside of your throat. If you can open your mouth for me, stick your tongue out. Can you move it up and down? Can you move it side to side? Okay. So let me shine a light in there. Okay. Say ah. Okay, the back of your throat looks pink and moist. No redness, no swelling, no trouble swallowing since you've had this cough?
No.
Okay, and your lips aren't chapped, so you don't look dehydrated or anything like that. You're drinking plenty of fluids?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna stick your tongue out one more time for me. I'm gonna check the gag reflex. Say ah. Okay. Great. Perfect. That's the gag reflex. Sorry about that. Okay, so while I have you here, I'm gonna have you close your eyes and I'm gonna test a couple of more cranial nerves. So I want you to touch your forehead with your finger, the middle of your forehead. Touch your chin. Touch your cheek. Okay, so I'm gonna do a couple of things. You're gonna tell me if this is sharp or soft.
Sharp. dark,
Okay.
soft, soft.
Okay. And now I'm gonna check your. You can open up your eyes. No, keep your eyes closed. We're gonna check your sense of smell. What does that smell like?
Vinegar,
Okay. I'm gonna check. What does that smell like?
syrup,
Okay, you can open up your eyes. Now, I'm going to check one more thing with your mouth, and can you open and close? Open and close. Okay. And can you hold your cheeks tight? Okay, that's checking the muscles. They're nice and strong. Awesome. Now I'm going to check your neck. So I'm going to check cervical nodes in the back, come all the way to the front and check them in your clavicle area. Okay, so I'm going to be pressing down on areas. You let me know if you feel any tenderness. These are the cervical nodes. Okay, now I'm going to come across your chin. Any tenderness you're feeling?
no,
I can feel them. They feel nice and palpable. This is your thyroid gland I'm checking here, and then these are your clavicle and lymph nodes. And then you also have axillary ones. Can you lift your arm up for me? And this side? Okay, everything looks good. Now I'm going to check your swallowing and your neck. You can bring your arms down. So here's a cup of water. Go ahead and check your swallowing. Perfect. Any difficulty swallowing?
no.
Okay. Now I want to check your sense of taste. Close your eyes. I'm going to give you something and then you're going to taste it. What else? What does that taste like?
Salt,
And
it tastes like a wheat thin.
okay, so we're gonna try something else. Here you go. And what does that taste for you?
Perfect. It tastes like a cookie dough.
Is
But
it sweet?
it's
salty?
No, it's a sweet cookie.
Oh, thank you. So I think I tested all of your cranial nerves when I did my assessment on your head and neck. So now I'm going to go ahead and check your lungs.
Yeah, any more cookies?
Not at the moment, sorry.
Okay.
So can you sit up for me, please? So I'm going to listen to your lung feels. I'm going to start off in the front, and I just need you to take a deep breath in and out. Okay, again. Again. Okay, now I'm going to go to the back. Okay, so I'm going to start on the right side. Upper right, upper left, mid left, mid right, outer right, inner lower right, inner lower left, and outer lobes. Okay, so I did hear some crackles in the upper lobe, so that can explain your wet cough. Did you have a cold or a flu or anything recently?
Did I have a cold or flu?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so you were getting over it now, but
Yeah.
you still had the wet cough? Okay, that's good. So you're gonna go ahead and sit back, and I'm going to listen to your heart now. I'm gonna come over to the other side. And I'm going to listen to 4 different areas of your heart, but first I'm gonna palpate the bottom portion of your heart, pericardium. Oh, I forgot to check your diaphragm. I'm sorry. Take a deep breath in. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so now I took care of the heart. I'm also going to, after I'm done checking the heart sounds, I'm going to listen to your pulse for a full minute, okay? So we'll start off with the S1. You can relax, you can breathe normally. S2. And I'm listening for murmurs. Okay, so I'm gonna have you lean forward. You're gonna take a deep breath in and out, and then hold your breath. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna listen to your pulse for 1 minute. Okay, for time purposes, I listen to your heart for 1 minute. Your heart rate is 88. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to take the rest of your vital signs. Can I take a look at your hands? I'm going to check your capillary refill, which is +3, which is good. Nails look good and groomed. I see you get your nails manicured.
I do.
They look good. Okay. Any stomach issues, any changes in your bowel habits? What was your last bowel movement?
Yesterday.
And what about urination? Any changes in your urine output? Like how often you're going to the bathroom? Any changes in the color, the consistency, the smell? Nope. Okay. And what about your legs and your joints? Any joint pain? No problems with range of motion? Okay. Your legs and your feet? Your feet look good. No changes there either, right? So I'm gonna check your reflexes really quick since you're not having any issues with that. The main focus is your wet cough. So I'm going to tap this against your knee joint, and then I'm also going to do the ankle, which we probably can't get on the camera, but you know what we're doing. Okay? Okay. Okay. All of those are functional, and everything looks good. So let's get your blood pressure. All right. So blood pressure is 130/80. I counted your respirations when I was checking your lungs, and they were about 22. I noticed you were breathing a little fast. And like you said, you did have the wet cough. Now I'm going to check your temperature. I will use the ear one. And you have a low grade temperature, I noticed. So, because you already had a cold, which is a virus, you probably just have some lingering effects of it. So, right now, I would say that diagnose you with acute bronchitis. I can order you a Z-Pack, which is help to treat the viral medication, because with viruses, we kind of have to let them run their course. I can't give you antibiotics for that. So once you get it, you're gonna take 2 tablets initially, and then you'll take 1 tablet each day after that. It's usually about a 5-day course. And then you can get some over-the-counter cough medicines called guaifenesin. And if you're still having any chest pain because of the coughing a lot, you can take Tylenol or ibuprofen. If the symptoms get worse, you come back and see us. But if not, then you go ahead and take the medication in its entirety, and then we could see you back in 2 weeks.
All right.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.